एवरीबॉडी, आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ मोस्ट रिसेंटली आस्क्ड रिव्यू क्वेश्चंस। कुछ क्वेश्चंस के मैं आपके साथ सैम्पल आंसर्स भी डिस्कस करूंगी। जैसे कि मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, सैम्पल आंसर्स डिस्कस करने का मेरा एक ही इंटेंशन होता है कि जब आप दूसरों के आंसर्स सुनते हो तो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि आप कौन से पॉइंट्स अपने आंसर्स में इंक्लूड कर सकते हो, कौन से पॉइंट्स आपको एक्सक्लूड करने चाहिए अपने आंसर्स में, एंड आप अपने आंसर्स कैसे बेटर कर सकते हो। ठीक है, अब सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स मैं डिस्कस नहीं करूंगी जस्ट टू सेव योर टाइम एंड टू सेव माय टाइम, लेकिन कुछ क्वेश्चंस के जहां पे मुझे लगता है कि इंपॉर्टेंट है डिस्कशन करना, वो सब क्वेश्चंस के मैं आपके साथ आंसर्स डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ। ठीक है, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। मेरा नाम है रचना, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डेलिकेसी ऑफ योर स्टेट। ये एक सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी क्वेश्चन है। आप जिस भी स्टेट से आते हैं, आपको स्टेट का स्पेशल क्विजीन या बेसिक स्टेपल फूड के बारे में जरूर पता होगा। यू कैन टॉक अबाउट इट। ये सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी है, सो आई विल नॉट डिस्कस दिस। सेकेंड वन इज विच ड्रेस मेक्स यू मोर कंफर्टेबल एंड वाई। So for me, whether it's the Indian attire or whether it's the Western attire, any form of clothing which helps me feel comfortable is something that I choose. I can choose between both because I'm somebody who's quite adaptable to any kind of clothing, any kind of scenarios. So anything that helps me be more comfortable is something that I choose, because ultimately when you are comfortable wearing whichever attire you wish to wear, you become more confident. So if you're comfortable, you become confident, and that in turn shows on your face. So any kind of attire which makes me feel more comfortable is something that I prefer to. Next question is, talk about blood donation. Should somebody donate blood or not? Honestly, in my opinion, blood donation is a very critical aspect of public health, plus also serving the community. So I'm somebody who's quite for, or who's always in support of donation of blood. Whenever I do have an opportunity to donate blood, I make sure to make that effort for two simple reasons. One is that whenever you donate blood, you also detoxify your own self. You also help your body's immune system to grow. Apart from that, it also helps people who are in need of blood. And somewhere I know that today, when I am giving back to the society, God forbid if a day arrives in life in future, I know that the younger generation will do the same for me. And that's why I'm up for blood donation, and one should donate blood if they are capable or if they are healthy physically by themselves to go for it. Next question is, tell me about your daily routine. This is self-explanatory. I'm not going to go into this. Whatever is your daily routine, you can talk about it. The question is, who inspires you a lot? This is self-explanatory, but if I had to still answer it for you, I would say I really look up to Sushmita Sen, because I have been seeing her since my childhood, and when she won the crown as Miss Universe, there was something which she made very clear to the world. They asked her a couple of questions and she made it very clear to the world that she would want to adopt children, she would want to adopt girls whenever she has, or if she has the financial capability to do so in future, and she stood by her words. So she, in my opinion, is a woman of substance. She, in my opinion, is an epitome of women empowerment. She is somebody who I look up to because she's a multitasker. She's not just she was not just Miss Universe. She also got her name in the Bollywood industry. She's a successful entrepreneur as well, and apart from that, she's also a single woman of 2 girls. So she's somebody who I really look up to. She's somebody who inspires me to do more in life. Next question is, what are the 3 things you have done in your life? So as a fresher, you can talk about, how you are helping the society in the smallest ways possible. Maybe you are educating or helping the younger generation to understand certain subjects in school. Maybe you are helping in keeping your environment clean. Maybe you are helping in the elderly in performing some kind of tasks which they are physically not very capable to perform now. So include those kind of good things that are somewhere helping the society as a whole. Okay. Question is, what are the 3 bad things you have done in your life? तो रिमेंबर कि आप जब भी कोई भी चीज़ नेगेटिव बोलने वाले हैं, हमेशा उसका एक पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट के साथ ही एंड करें. ठीक है, लेट्स से अगर आपको 3 बैड थिंग्स एनलिस्ट करने हैं, तो यू कैन से दैट you realize that few days ago you started binge watching a lot of TV shows, a lot of shows on Netflix, and you realize that it is consuming a lot of your productive time in your life, and you realized it and you started to cut down on your addiction, and you started to work towards using that time into doing something more productive. If you talk about one of this as your bad aspects, you can talk about eating unhealthy food. So you realized it. Remember, you have to mention that you realized that eating healthy is more important. Eating healthy is the right way to go ahead in life. So you started to cut down on foods which have high cholesterol, foods which have high amount of fats. You yourself have felt the positive changes in your life after making this change. तो आप ऐसे 3 बैड हैबिट्स अगर आप मेंशन कर रहे हो या बैड थिंग्स आप मेंशन कर रहे हो, रिमेंबर कि आप उसका पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट भी उनके साथ ज़रूर शेयर करो, ताकि whenever you start with a negative aspect, you are ending with a positive aspect. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ कैन आई एक्सप्लेन अबाउट करियर ब्रेक. ये क्वेश्चन मुझे मेरे कम्युनिटी पोस्ट में किसी ने लिखा था. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू बी ऑनेस्ट वाई यू टुक द करियर ब्रेक. ठीक है. सेकेंड, इफ इट इज समथिंग विच इज नॉट टू बी मैंशनड, so be diplomatic about it. Don't focus too much on the details of it, but you can say what you gained during that time. If it was for your personal reasons, you can say that, I had a career break, understood the importance of taking the break to make sure that my personal life is better, because at the end of it, if your personal and your professional life does not go very well, or if it does not go according to the situations that you desire, then that can affect your mental health. And if anything affects your mental health, it is not a good sign. So for that moment, I took a break. I rechecked all those things. I tried to put them all in place, and confident, and I'm back to start again, or to start fresh. I have gained some skills during this time, and I believe that these skills will only make me get better. These skills will help me improve. Next question is, somebody was asked, जब कोई कैंडिडेट गए थे, 3-4 लोग जब बैठे थे, तो द इंटरव्यूअर आस्क्ड द कैंडिडेट टू डिस्क्राइब द अदर कैंडिडेट. ठीक है. सो ऑफकोर्स आपको उनके बारे में कुछ नहीं पता होगा, बट रिमेंबर, अगर वो आपके साथ जो भी कैंडिडेट्स है वो सब भी इंटरव्यू देने आए हैं, एंड always be courteous, always be kind, always be polite. If the interviewer asks you to describe the other person, you can say, I can see a very beautiful looking girl who looks like she has a lot of dreams, who looks very positive to me. My first impact or my first impression about her was somebody who looks like, who has a goal set in mind, who looks like who is all up and out, and who's going to do a great job when she gets on board. And I really wish that I could have more conversations with her, but unfortunately, due to short period of time, we could not really converse with each other, and due to the interview schedule and everything, we did not have too much time to interact. We do get to interact a bit more. I think we will be able to strike a good chord between us. So whenever somebody asks you questions about the other candidate, be positive about that person, because it only shows your quality about embracing, about being together in a team. Okay. Question जो पूछा गया था, किसी ने अपने CV में लिखा था कि I love makeup. So the interviewer asked that person, you said in your CV that you love makeup. What according to you should I use for my skin? ठीक है. इसमें कोई एग्जाम नहीं हो रहा है या ऐसा कुछ, बट दे जस्ट वांट टू सी हाउ स्पॉन्टेनियस यू कैन गेट. ओके. जब आपसे कुछ ऐसा आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स पूछा जाए या इंटरव्यूअर के बारे में पूछा जाए, सो यू विल ऑलवेज वांट टू से दैट आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई शुड आंसर, आई डोंट नो मैं दूसरों के बारे के मेकअप के स्किल्स के बारे में कैसे बात कर सकती हूँ. तो यू कैन से दैट I love wearing makeup, and from the little experience that I've gained about makeup and all these things, that over this short period of time, I would like to say that you should use a concealer, you should use this kind of foundation, and I think if you use a little bit of primer before you start off your makeup, I think it will do wonders. You should make your hair in a ponytail, you should tie a bun, and I think you will do very good if you wear a lighter shade of lipstick, or if you wear a darker shade of lipstick. But if you wear a darker shade, I think you will look better. तो ऐसे सब आप अपने हिसाब से you can tell the recruiter, and I would suggest कि जब आपको दिख रहे हैं कुछ फीचर्स रिक्रूटर के या किसी भी कैंडिडेट के बारे में भी अगर उन्होंने बोला है, अगर आपको कुछ उन पर्सन के फेस पे कुछ अच्छे फीचर्स दिखते हैं, देर आर सम पीपल हु हैव वेरी ब्यूटीफुल आईज, यू कैन से दैट बिकॉज आई सी दैट योर आईज आर वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, यू हैव नाइस बिग आईज, आई वुड सजेस्ट दैट यू गो विद अ लाइनर. So say something which seems very positive. It feels like, okay, this person is really noticing and paying attention to detail. ठीक है. This question is advantages and disadvantages of social media. ये एक self-explanatory question है. Advantages can be that you can learn so many things on social media. There are so many courses that I can do on social media. Even the opportunity about this job was brought to my attention through social media. So there are so many things that you can do through social media. Disadvantages is, of course, there are a lot of cyber crimes that are happening. A lot of people have emerged as hackers, which can unethically, ruin some people's lives because of hacking their profiles. So these are some of the things which are disadvantages of social media. But if you use it in the right way, it is a big boon to our society. यही सब क्वेश्चंस है जो कि अभी रिसेंटली डिस्कस किए गए हैं, कुछ कुछ इंटरव्यूज़ में पूछे गए हैं. कुछ कुछ इंटरव्यूज़ में अगर आपने भी किसी भी इंटरव्यू में पार्ट लिया है रिसेंटली, कोई भी क्वेश्चंस के बारे में आपको कुछ एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए, डिस्कस करना हो, तो आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख सकते हैं. आज के इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही. फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन या कंटेंट रिलेटेड टू जॉब इंटरव्यू से रिलेटेड, स्टे ट्यून्ड. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर योर टाइम एंड गुड बाय.